Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I got to cut up a bunch of lumber into the parts for the window sills on the addition. Got to move out the miter saw. I got a cut list here. Got a good amount of parts to cut up, and I moved all of my lumber over here to keep it out of the rain. All of a sudden we got a ton of rain in the forecast, and today it's going to rain in about 3 hours. So I really want to get this out here, get my parts rough cut. Then I have to do some machining, some ripping, and I actually have to put some bevels on parts, and what else? Pocket screws, this, that, and the other thing. So I got a lot to do, and I better get started. Okay, that's all my strips. I think I'm actually going to do these a little different than what I was thinking. Probably going to cut these into shorter pieces and tack them in that way. I'll show you when I get to that. Yeah, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon, and you'll see all this stuff coming together probably in a couple days. All depends on the weather. Okay, so these are now at 5.5. These get pocket screws on one end. Some of them will get it on two ends, but I'm going to do that as I work over there. Now, all but these top two of this get pocket screws as well. So it's all pocket screwing, and then these all get the little bevel on it. But I really should do the bevel first. What time is it? Yeah, it is almost noon, and it's supposed to rain pretty much any time now. So let me find my little drawing. Oh, I bet it's in the house. Yeah, I have a drawing on where to put that bevel. Oh, it's at 5 inches, and then it's 5 degrees. Pretty easy. So I'll get that done first thing, just in case it starts raining. I can pocket screw in here, and then it'll probably be it for today. It all depends on the weather. So I'm going to get these bevels cut, and we'll go from there.